Jack is back! Hello everybody and welcome to another video of Jack. I know. It's like, I lost the squid. Hello everybody and welcome back to I lost the squid. I don't do that. I actually just thought of the, yeah. If I copy him, I'm not trying to copy him. Alright, so, what should we do with him today? Let's feed him. Let's see, how am I doing? Oh, no. Does he have any food? Let's see, this one. What the heck, crap. He has nothing. Ah, poor guy. I have to change his food. I'll be back, guys. Alright, I filled his food. That actually took quite a while. Alright, alright, I grabbed this. And I'm just gonna give it to him. Alright. So, let me grab that. Jack, buddy. Hey, the food, hey.
Who loves Maddie? Raise your hand. Who loves Liv? Raise your hand.
And of course, he dropped it. All right.
Maddie's going to the classes and basketball.
All right. Oh, sorry. All right, here. This time, buddy, do not drop. I'm sorry. Just, why am I saying I'm sorry? All right. So, what we were doing is feeding Jack. Here you go. This is gonna actually take quite a while. All right. So right now he took the food. You don't drop it. He's gonna drop it. He's gonna drop it. You're gonna drop it. You're gonna drop it. Please don't drop it. Did you drop it? Oh, it's over here. Oh, good boy. Hey, what you doing? Oh, you wanna play? Alright, okay. Check. You playing? Huh? Wanna touch the camera? Huh? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, pet him. Okay. What up, yo? Oh my gosh. Just came up close to the camera. I can't believe it. Alright, so guys, that's all, I guess. Let me pet him just once, one pet. Alright. Yeah. This is all it for the video. Sorry if you guys thought it was short or just pick that up, strong point. And if you guys thought it was long or short, it's short video. Right, sorry. And yeah, that's all I got for today. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, careful. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye. What? Dun dun.